One. Today we're gonna have some fun with some vacuums. We're gonna clean up with. We're gonna make them vacuum some Cheerios. Today we're gonna vacuum up some Cheerios and we're gonna see how they do and which one does the best.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna start with laying out Cheerios.
Pour them out.
We're not gonna use too much because we've got a little place. Okay, about enough.
You have to get the corners.
Okay, well now we're gonna start the robots up. Now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just wait a little bit. Starting now. This one takes a while to set. They both do a great job. They probably are going to do a great job. And please subscribe. That one always airs out a lot. But we're going to see how they do. You might see my hands a little bit, but that's okay. This one's downstairs, and this one's a Roomba, and that's a Wise. This one sometimes airs out a lot because it does sometimes returning the charge thing. But after they get them all done, it's about a 15-minute video. Please subscribe after, and if they're all done, we're gonna let them clean a bit more. The Cheerios are all done. We just don't want to make a big mess because I don't want to clean this up after this much. So I hope they can do it. There's one more, but its filter's not working. This one's battery lasts about an hour and a half. This one about 2 hours. But they both do a great job. You'll just hear it start, but it doesn't do such a great job when it airs out, but they're probably gonna do a great job. They've already got like half of it cleaned. And this one takes about an hour to charge. This one takes about 4 hours to charge. Oh, and I'm trying to earn enough money after 50 videos to earn a Shark IQ $220. And I hope you watch all of my 50 videos, maybe even 100. Hope you like them. This one should air out soon because if it's probably locating right now. Oh, and my grandpa has a shark that I want to get, but it's mine. The one I want is just a little bit different. They've done a great job so far, and they're doing great. Usually, this one's got LiDAR. It doesn't bump into a lot of stuff. This one gets stuck a lot because it does not have a LiDAR. And I don't have any that self-empty. And the one's dirt bin is not going in, so he was going to be in this video, but he's not. Maybe in my next video he'll be in here, but he's probably gonna do better. Sometimes it makes a lot of noise. I'm glad these don't air out because of Cheerio. And maybe even more. Now that's been like maybe 5 minutes or a bit longer of cleaning. You can send, there's a dock button and a spot button. That's really great. But this one has kind of trouble finding its dock. Here's a home button and a start button. Geez, this one's actually not airing out unless it does. And you can see that LiDAR spins, kind of. That's the brand of it. This is a robot Roomba. Sometimes they get stuck on each other's dock.
Yo, Mom. This show makes me hungry.
Gets stuck a lot. This one gets stuck a lot in the bathroom rug downstairs in the basement. Maybe one of my videos can be down in the basement and you'll see what it looks like. I might have, my next video will come out pretty soon. It won't be too long, but I hope you watch all of them.
How many bears 6 minutes?
Now. Yeah, this dog loves to eat. And he's gonna help a bit today, like he is. This is just so they don't go in certain places because I only want them to stay in here. So far, they've cleaned all of it, and that's good, so I don't have to clean all of it up. I emptied all of their dirt bins before I started them. This Roomba I got like 2 or 3 years ago. This one I got like a few days ago. It hasn't been very long. This one I got at Target. That one I got online so far. Yeah, there's just a bit of crumbs that they could miss. They've done most of the Cheerios. I wonder what I should lay out next time. But I could do this plus something, or I could do just something different or totally different.
Kingston!
My video's probably about over. These
Kingston,
aren't too
I'm
long.
fix this. Look.
But, what? Let's see how much these guys got in their dirt bins so far. This one's got a lot of Cheerios. It's
Cheerios for Deco.
Clap for the Roomba. Wahoo! It's done a lot. If you can see, it's got a lot of hair. Now time to stop this one.
Subscribe to our channel.
And I'm going to see what this guy has. He's got nothing so far. I don't know why, but that winner, the Roomba would be the winner of collecting Cheerios this time. The Roomba pretty much cleaned up everything itself. And I hope you subscribe. I probably need like 1,000 subscribers. Make sure to subscribe and bye.